Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got something in the mail today. Well, Devin did. He's not here, he's at work, and he wants to see them really bad, so I'm going to try to do an unboxing for you guys. But as you see, we got something from Braum. So give me a second, and we'll see if we can get it out of the box. I'm going to try to put you... Yeah, we'll put you right here for a time lapse while I get it out. Excuse my attire. I was cleaning the house today. Ooh, Lord, have mercy. When you order this, I don't give you much of a peek. This is why I didn't. They put them in black bags. And it says, do not use it as a seat cover. So give me a second and let's get it out. Hopefully I'm tall enough to pull this bitch out. Alright, there's number one. Woo! Some things look good. Alright, we got the chairs out. The seats. The brackets are in the bottom. I'm not going to mess with those. But here's the belts. They come in another bag. Give me 1 second, and I've got one that's already open. Well, we'll get this out. I'll open it, let you see it. Then I'll put it up on the chair and let you see it there too. Alright, are y'all ready to see the unveiling of what color we got? Bum bum bum. Purple. So, for those of you who don't know, I'm going to sit you in the box for a second. Purple is Devin's favorite color. Alright, you guys, I don't know if you're ready, but here we go. Look at these things. Woo! I'm not taking the plastic off yet because I don't know when we're going to install them, but they are a maroonish color. They kind of match his bike with a purple Braum. They are Braum seats as well, but we got the purple, and whew, I am so excited about these. They look mean. I'm about to take a picture and send it to Devin. But that's all I have to show you out of this. I want to say the setup for the seats, we got them. We didn't get them from Braum. It was actually cheaper to go with Redline 360. It saved us about $200 on the seats, which is good. Awesome. So then he got his 2 Braum harnesses and then the seat braces to mount them up to the factory. So we will have a video coming shortly of the actual seats going in. I don't know if the harness will be in there when we do that. I don't know if we have to wait till we get a roll cage. I'm not 100% sure. But I'm super excited. Devin's going to be excited. I hauled this thing out here myself. That's why I'm out of breath. As a fat girl, so... But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm sure he's going to be excited too. I've got him laid out here for him to see when he gets home. But I am going to go send him a picture. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got some major things coming up with this Mustang, you guys. You don't want to miss this. Y'all have a good day. Hustle harder.